What's up, everybody? I'm going to make a quick video, and this time I'm actually going to attempt to change my gear oil. Now, after doing some research, the owner's manual and the service manual are a little tricky. They almost give some conflicting advice, but what I've decided to do is go with some 75 weight 90 Hypoid oil, and I'm going to use Mobil 1 synthetic. Now, this one bottle cost me like 15 bucks, but it should last me freaking forever. So I also got a now this is a disposable syringe, one-time use if you're going to actually use it what it's supposed to be for. But where am I at here? Basically, I'm just going to use this to put the gear oil in. Now it says I think it's at 100.110 liter, which would be 100, or I'm sorry, I guess 100 milliliters is what it calls for. So that's what I'm going to put in. So let's try to take this thing apart now. I think a 12 millimeter is what we're gonna have. Let's see, or a 10 millimeter. So we got to take this little plastic cover off. Okay, there's one. We got another right here. Okay, there's a long one and a short one. Long one goes here, short one in the back, and the cover just comes right off. Now, luckily, you don't have to take anything else off. It looks like where we need to go is right here. Alright guys, I put a bag down. I found that putting a bag down may save some mess. I've got just a regular old pot to use. So I'm going to unbolt this right here and this one right here, and we'll let everything drain out, and then we'll fill it up. And hopefully it's as easy as it sounds. Alright guys, so this is a 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and see what happens. It wasn't on there very tight, that's for sure. Alright, so it's a pretty good little size bolt. Make sure you don't lose it. There you go. Alright, now this one here is a 12 millimeter. So let's crack that one loose if we can. It's on there pretty tight. So there's that one. It's got a crusher washer on it. Matter of fact, they both do, it looks like. So we'll just let that drain out, and it actually looks pretty good. So there she goes. So I'm going to let this empty. I'll be back. Alright guys, this thing's been draining for a while. I think we're good to go, so we're going to put this back in. 10 millimeter. Snug that up a little bit. I did want to say, as far as measuring, at least, you know, it says 0.10 liter, which would be 100 milliliter. So I got this thing, but the easiest way to use this is if you buy the Mobil 1, just pour it into a cup, put this down in, and pull out what you need. Alright dudes, I got 100 milliliter. I think I do at least. Let's see if I can get the shit in here. Alright dudes, I'm gonna actually try some crazy shit. I'm just gonna try to lean the damn bike over and put this in all in one. Probably drop the damn thing. So we're leaning. Let's go. Alright guys, so I do believe someone read the fill. If you see a little bit of leaking at the top, you're good. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm pretty happy with my measurements, so I'm going to lock her in. And hopefully this thing will be good to go. Alright, let's tighten her up. Well, hopefully this thing will hold up. We won't see any leaks. I'm going to fire it up. And that's about all there is to it.